Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to install Crisp in your WordPress website. No code, no manual setup, you will just learn how to install the plugin, connect your workspace, and get your chat box live in a few minutes. So let's get started. First, inside your Crisp workspace, go to Settings, then Workspace Settings and Setup and Integrations. Then under the website section, click WordPress. This opens the installation guide and shows you the steps to connect Crisp with your WordPress website. Now head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins and Add New. Then search for Crisp, and once you find it, click Install, then Activate. This will add Crisp directly to your WordPress website without touching your theme's files. Once the plugin is installed, open Crisp settings from your WordPress sidebar. Click Connect with Crisp. You will be asked to log into your Crisp account and choose the workspace you want to connect. And once connected, your website will automatically start loading the Crisp chat box. Now open your website in your favorite browser and you should see the Crisp chat box live on your pages. You can try sending a test message to make sure everything is working correctly, and if the message appears in your Crisp inbox, your installation is complete. Just before you go, here are a few common issues if the chat box doesn't appear. First, make sure the plugin is installed and activated. Second, check that your Crisp workspace is properly connected inside the plugin settings. And if everything looks fine, you can try clearing your WordPress cache, especially if you use caching plugins. Some themes or optimization plugins may delay the widget from loading. And that's it, Crisp is now live on your WordPress website. Now, if you want to customize your chat box or learn how to set up your Crisp workspace, you can check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.